Hi. As you can tell, all day has gone by, but that is fine because we're here now and we're going to play in my little room. So we got a couple things to talk about today. We got a couple ideas. We got to pack up. We got to create a list. I'm running an essay. We got to. Do you see out my? There's something out my window, man. It's like I'm stuck in this place of self-doubt, of reflection, of thinking about what I've done wrong from a year ago, about the person I've hurt, and I'm kind of in this like inability to reach any of the goals. Like I'm struggling to work out. I'm struggling to find passion. I just feel so disconnected and so disjointed from the community that I've had, and all my friends have gone to college, and now I'm just this guy who wakes up and works out and does nothing. I quit my job. I don't have anything right now, and I just feel so. I just don't have any drive. And like the thing is, like I still I miss the projects that I was a part of over the summer. I miss directing, I miss writing, I miss being around incredible artists, and now I'm just kind of stuck in this almost isolation from the social world, from the art, from everything that I was experiencing. I wish I could go back. I wish I could experience those moments again, and I don't know what to do. What I do think will get me out of this funk is creating a set of goals, a set of plans, and looking forward towards London. I need to understand why this is a good moment for me, why I'm going forward, and not feel so useless right now. I'm going to create a presentation for myself. Here are Jackson's 3 reasons for going to London. Reason number 1, it greatly improves my resume. It's a business building thing. It's something that'll help me for my future. Something that people will see and go, oh, he's worldly, he's done this travel, something like that. It's a building tool for my career as an actor. Reason number 2 is that it widens my consciousness. God, one of the number 1 things of being an actor is being able to understand and portray different people in different situations. And so what better way of learning about greater perspectives than jumping into a different culture? It's going to skyrocket my ability to understand and play different characters. And reason number 3, more on a self-spiritual level, is the freedom that being in a new situation gives you. I feel like so often people are stuck in the same old rhythms, the same old problems, the same old ego of self. I am seeking for something new, something that is detached from my current reality, that will make me feel free to be who I am, to be a more free, authentic, real creative. Yeah, but okay. So sure, in the moment, that might have felt really great to have all these successful goals for the future for understanding these things. But I mean, how effectively is that really assuading my anxiousness of the current moment? Cool. Now I'm just stuck in this disunity between mind and body. My body is still in New City and my mind is now in London. So it's it's more anxiety provoking than anything. It's just switched my emotion, and it's great to know what you want to do in the future, but at the same time, just living. It should be the rule. There's this idea by Alan Watts where it's you only have an issue because you've been told that you had an issue or anything. And so thinking that you have that issue kind of perpetuates this kind of identity that you are a person with this issue. And so then when you think, okay, how would Jackson act in any situation, which is subconscious, your body will act the way that Jackson does. And if Jackson's ego is to do this terrible thing or to be this terrible person, then you will perpetuate that terrible thing that you do. And so trying to be better is in direct acknowledgement that you are not good in the first place, which then just perpetuates you being terrible. So it's better to just live in the present, my man. You shouldn't I think the problem I've been having is that I'm not allowing myself to let the time come as it comes and to just live in the present. And living in the present is hard. Being in that in-between state is difficult. Like, where do? I don't have any friends. I don't have a lot of things going on for me right now, and I feel uncomfortable in this space, and what am I to do? And the thing is, I'm to do nothing. There is nothing that I need to do right now. And that's something I just gotta live with and just be in. And then London will come and I'll be ready for that change. I don't need to do anything to prep myself for a change that's coming. It's like bracing 10 minutes before a punch will hit you. And so, yeah, I think I'm ready for London. But I think right now, I'm here. And I think right now I need to celebrate being here. So I'm going to go do something stupid for myself.